This is George Tucker, Associated Press, filing Associated Press material via Mutual Broadcasting Facilities, Nuremberg, Germany. Bulletin, delusive, second day lead, duplicated, 11615, Nuremberg, 23/11. United States demanded today punishment of 20 Nazis as conspirators to commit murder in form of illegal war, paragraph, emphasizing hopes of allied nations that charter of International Military Tribunal outlawing aggressive war would open new era in international good conduct. American prosecutor Sidney Alderman said this point of the Nuremberg trial surpassed all others in juridical significance, paragraph. Alderman brought in formidable pile of captured German documents relating to foreign aggression after presentation by his colleague Thomas Dodd of evidence of Nazi economic conspiracy to prepare for war, paragraph. Tubby Hermann Göring and austere Hjalmar Schacht drew tremendous bombardment of prosecution documentation showing how they cracked whip over German finance industry to gear up armaments production. Dodd wove in figures of multimillionaire gunmaker Gustav Krupp, Steel Trust chieftain Albert Vogel, and directors of the chemical combined I.G. Farben as characters of a plot going back to 1933 to underwrite Nazism, first as a bastion against, quote, the menace of communism, unquote, and then as an instrument of conquest. End Duluth Bulletin. The following document showing a link between Hitler, Mussolini, and Franco was delivered from the floor by American prosecutor Sidney Alderman late today. It is an excerpt from a speech by Hitler to his commanders on August the 22nd, 1939. I have called you together to give you a picture of the political situation in order that you may have insight into the individual elements on which I have based my decision to act and in order to strengthen your confidence. It was clear to me that a conflict with Poland had to come sooner or later. I had already made this decision in the spring, but I thought that I would first turn against the West in a few years and only afterwards against the East. But the sequence cannot be fixed. One cannot close one's eyes even before a threatening situation. I wanted to establish an acceptable relationship with Poland in order to fight first against the West. But this plan, which was agreeable to me, could not be executed since essential points have changed. It became clear to me that Poland would attack us in case of a conflict with the West. Poland wants access to the sea. The further development became obvious after the occupation of the Memo region, and it became clear to me that under circumstances a conflict with Poland could arise at an inopportune moment. I enumerate as reasons for this reflection. First of all, two personal constitutions, my own personality and that of Mussolini. Essentially, it depends on me, my existence, because of my political activity. Furthermore, the fact that probably no one ever again will have the confidence of the whole German people as I do. There will probably never again be a man in the future with more authority than I have.